These are the qualities of Mahakali. Because she is the expert of war affairs. She's the one who makes people one. And she's the one who makes them fight. Because it's the desire. They have nothing there, just a desire to do something. And then they join together, and then the Mahasaraswati helps them to act. But first the desire is so strong. Now the desire has to be very, very strong within us, that we have to be for the emancipation of the whole world. We are the people. We are the special people. We are in the foundation. Nothing is more important than our own personality being completely dedicated for Sahaja. This desire has to be extremely strong and very pure. Those actually desire it, actually, they get their realization like that. They reach that depth like that. And they enjoy doing work of Siddhi. All the time they enjoy it. For them, nothing is more important. As we say, there's a saying that when you get the water of Ganges to drink, why should you take water from dirty rivers? So the whole attention is that side. All the joy you get out of this romance and this love and this and that becomes zero before it. Because it's Nirananda, only joy. In the marriage, you see, wife says like this, says that, all this is so conditioning. Any joy. You have different joys on different centers. They are all given by Mahakali. But the greatest of all you have got after realization is the Nirananda. That state you must reach, to Nirananda state. If you are in that state of Nirananda, then all other these pleasures and joys are zero. I mean, so many people who told me they were very fond of cricket in India. They said, Mother, we don't see nowadays cricket. I said, why? Because the enjoyment is not there now. It's sort of, that enjoyment is lost. Otherwise, Indians are mad after cricket. See, even in the forest, if you go, they'll be listening to the cricket. It's a game played by English, who are not so much interested, but Indians are. And now, if you ask them, they say, no, we're not interested. So many people who used to read 7, 8 newspapers said, we never read newspapers. Never good news, finished. And still they are managing. Because the whole focus of your attention is now on Sahaja Yoga, because you only enjoy Sahaja. You like to meet Sahajogis, you have to be with Sahajogis. We had a puja in England. It was raining and quite a vibrant puja of Sri Ganesha. But nobody was bothered. It started pouring down through the pandal they had put up. Nobody was bothered. All right, water has come, let the water pass this way, we'll sit that side. Everybody adjusted, because first thing was to enjoy. They didn't want to give up enjoyment at any cost. And it continued the whole night. One was worried because somebody has threatened that the police will come. I made the police sleep also, and the man who was to report also was sleeping. So the whole night we enjoyed ourselves. Now this enjoyment cannot come to you if you do not have purity of your mind. Nira-ananda. You can get other anands of other things, other chakras. Now how to bring the purity? Just by developing thoughtless awareness and looking at things without thinking. For that you have to be collective. If you are collective, I am there. Wherever you are collective, wherever you gather, I am there. And nothing gives me greater pleasure to hear that all of you are attending this program. You'll be amazed that in Australia we have so many centers in every city, but they all attend the programs of collectivity, because they know collectivity is the ocean of nourishment.